Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to log into Zoom on your desktop. First of all, in order to log into Zoom on desktop, make sure that you've downloaded the Zoom Workplace application on your device. If you don't have it already, you can open up a web browser and in the URL box type in zoom.us/download, and from here you can simply go ahead and choose the download options according to your device's type. Look for the options under Zoom Workplace for Windows and you can go ahead and choose the download options. Simply click on that and your download should begin. Once the download is completed, install the Zoom Workplace app on your device and launch it open. Now, once the app loads up, you can then go ahead and log in using your credentials. Type down your email and then your password for your Zoom account. You can also sign in with SSO, Apple, Google, or Facebook account credentials. Once you have your credentials correct, you will then be able to sign into your Zoom account on the desktop. So that's how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, share and subscribe to the channel for more Zoom tutorials. I'll be back in the next video. Thanks for watching.